and give me your passport so look at your picture.
This is the start of the Cancun trip. This is now going in the Cancun folder. We are taking my passport photo. Because where are we going, Daddy?
Maker. Cancun.
We're going to Cancun. We're going to Planet Hollywood in Cancun. I think it only opened just a year ago, so it's really new, and we all like the look of the food. So basically, we're just about to take my passport photo, and I bet you there will be a lot more travel vlogs coming up, and definitely, we'll definitely do a trip vlog. So let's get taking pictures. Bye. So we are now at Heathrow Terminal 5 Airport, aren't we? Hello?
Yes, we are.
So we are flying to Cancun today. It's going to be a long old day. We're flying to Texas first, and then we will be switching over to go to Cancun. We're just about to check in now. Our bags. There we go. There they are.
Why are you starting filming us?
I know!
We're at Planet Hollywood!
Yes, we are at Planet Hollywood Resort in
Cancun, Mexico.
and we are really excited, aren't we?
Yes.
We're
And we got my favourite part, the water park.
Yeah, there's a water park here, there's a lazy river. We have got loads to do in the 2 weeks we are here to keep us really occupied. There's lazy rivers, there's pools, obviously there's a beach. What else is there? There's a cinema, there's golf, tennis, and this is the resort.
And right now Joshua, face coming down to me. Right now we're in our balcony.
Right now we're in our balcony.
Balcony, not balcony, it's balcony.
We're in our balcony, and in a few minutes we are going to go and get breakfast, which I am really excited about because the food here is supposed to be absolutely great. So you excited for breakfast?
Yes, subscribe and like another video.
And
For
make
the-
sure-
for day number 2.
One.
So like tomorrow's day number 2.
Okay. So when day number 2 comes out, make sure you also go and watch that. And when you subscribe, make sure you turn the notification bell on so that when we post a new video, you can always be one of the first people to watch it. Right, ready? Let's go to the buffet. 3, 2, 1. So we have just finished our first breakfast here at Planet Hollywood, Cancun, Mexico. What are our verdicts?
I love the French toast and the omelettes.
I love the food.
I had crab.
Yeah, so it was a good hit, you know. What did I have? I had waffles with syrup. They were absolutely incredible. We're just going to reception now to book some restaurants and to get my band sorted out. We've gone the wrong way. So yeah, I can now get into our room, which is good. We are just going back to our room now to get changed so we can go into the lazy river where I'll take the GoPro so I can film a bit in there. I'm really excited for the I am really excited for the lazy river. Oscar, are you excited for the lazy river?
Wait, put your hat on.
You excited for the lazy river?
Yes, we are.
Yes. I love going into the pool, and I bet you're excited to be pushed under the.
I'm excited for everything today.
Yeah, such an exciting day, and it's so sunny, so lovely. So we have just arrived at the beach. I've switched over to the GoPro so we can get some underwater shots. We have got a cabana today. Fancy. Yes, it's a beautiful day today, nice and hot, and I think our first day at Planet Hollywood is going to be a great day in our cabana. We've got the bar over there, we've got the beach, we've got the books, so I think our first day at Planet Hollywood is going to be Here we go, the first jump of the day. 3, 2, 1. over to Oscar to do a jump.
Alright guys, I'm gonna jump into the pool, guys. So right now I just jumped into the pool. So say hello to the viewers.
Hello, viewers.
I just say Dave voice. Hello, Dave.
Hello.
Hello, say hello to the vlog. Hello. Right. So we will just jumped in the pool. So I will be swimming with him.
So we've just arrived at the Mexican restaurant here at Planet Hollywood. What are we all going to have?
Oh, I'm going to have, I think, shrimp to start with. Then I'm either going to have octopus or enchiladas. Haven't decided. That's what's going to happen. And some melted cheese
Okay, and
on chorizo.
we'll focus now on Daddy.
I think I'm going to have flank steak tacos.
You look puzzled.
Yeah. I might order some enchiladas as well.
And Oscar, what are you going to have?
Spaghetti.
Oscar's going to have some spaghetti and flip you around, and I'm planning to have chicken nuggets with chips. So as you can tell just here, I'm not pointing, as you can tell just there, we have some nachos just here, we have some nachos, and we have some guacamole, and salsa even. I've never tried guacamole, so I think I'm going to try it right now.
Joshua.
Right, let's get the face cam. We need a face cam. So I'm going to try some guacamole now. So here's my nacho. Thank you. Right, here we go. Right.
Go, Joshua.
So I'll try some of the salsa.
That's a tomato.
Oh no, is it nice?
Nice, yeah, it's avocado, it's lovely. Come on, bite it. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite
Oh,
it.
I need it. I can't have that much. I can't have that much. I've only got to have a small bit.
You quite like it, don't you?
It's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's the best thing ever.
Yeah, but it doesn't have friends.
I couldn't have it. I couldn't have it as an actual big.
Otherwise, going to go into some type of shop about avocado.
It's okay. It's okay. So over here, Daddy has got his steak tacos. What are they like?
Steaky. And taco-y. And nice.
And he likes some moments up the camera, so he wants to go smile. Okay, we're just going to switch over to the
A
mum.
more normal person.
And what have you got, Mummy?
Well, I'm nearly finished enchiladas, chicken enchiladas.
I've just finished my spaghetti here and my chicken nuggets and chips, and Oscar has enjoyed his spaghetti and meatballs. We're just going to have to pause for a minute because our battery has died. So we'll see you when we have redone the battery.
Joshua is just going to try some authentic Mexican brownie. What do you think?
Okay. I don't know what this is on the top though.
No, I don't. He said it's how Mexicans have brownies. I think it's just cake. It's a bit like a creme brulee actually on top.
Ew.
And then there's this big creamy
Thing.
cake with lots of cream. It's nice.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yes, baby.
And then when you put it like that. Okay, so now, at the count of this, at the count of 3, all of us.
Elevator, aren't we, everybody?
Joshua's favourite thing to do.
Take the elevator. Lift, elevator, whatever you call it.
Here we are.
So thank you for watching this part of the main vlog here at Planet Hollywood, Cancun, Mexico. I'll see you tomorrow.